So let's start with our acne gel cream formulation. So first, in a sterilized bowl I will be taking our gelling agent, that is Epimix Gen. So over here I have taken 0.80% and I'm going to dilute that with 1,3 propanediol 3% before adding it to distilled water. It will make easy to form the gel, so that's the reason I'm using it. Okay, so we also need a humectant for our cream, but not too much. When you are making a gel cream, or especially for acne prone, don't use too much humectant. Okay, so here I am just mixing the Sepimix Gen with propanediol, and after that I will add that Sepimix Gen and propanediol mixture into distilled water. So I have taken 75.80% of distilled water. So my main motto for this cream is, specially this is a very simple cream to make. I don't added lots of active ingredients or anything. This is a very simple one. So I wanted this cream for acne prone sensitive skin, those who have acne pimples, and also this is a perfect gel cream for summer. You can use it in daytime also. So better to use this gel cream in daytime and use the salicylic acid cream at night. So this is a very good texture you will be seeing on the last when I will make this formulation. So it's not going to make your skin oily, but it also is going to make your skin very hydrated and moisturized. So I'm going to add the rest of gelling formulation mixture to my water phase. Okay, so I need to heat this, but before that I will keep it aside and we will start making our phase B, that is our oil phase. So over here I am going to take stearic acid 1% and Montanov 68.4%. Why I am using this waxes? Because we are making a gel cream and especially for acne prone, so I want something which is not going to make my skin heavy. So that's the reason I'm using this one. Okay, this is also called cetyl alcohol, and cetyl alcohol doesn't mean that it contains alcohol. Okay, so don't be in myth. So that why I have used it, all this emulsifier I will be mentioning later. So I have taken stearic acid 1%, Montanov 68.4%, and then I will be adding mango butter 1%. I am not using shea butter. Don't use shea butter, it's going for especially for summer. So mango butter is seed butter is very good for any sensitive acne prone skin. So it's not going to clog your pores. So you can go ahead and use only 1%. And the next oil which I have used is specially cactus seed oil. Especially as I am making a acne cream for sensitive, cactus seed oil is the best choice. Okay, so you need just 2%. You can see that I am not using too much oil in this cream, so please don't uh, please never don't like substitute all this, otherwise this cream, the texture will be something else. Okay, so I have already heated, I have shown in my last videos, so that's why I skipped that part. So I have already melted my phase A and phase B. So now I will just mix, like I will be pouring my phase A to phase B oil phase, and then with immersion blender I will blend a little. So now you can see that it's already like looking like a lotion, but it will solidify, so we need to wait for some time. I'm not putting it in fridge. In room temperature I will be like setting this cream. So if you want to do it quickly, you can use the refrigeration. So next I'm going to take allantoin. I'm going to take very little allantoin, just like 0.5%, or you can reduce it. Okay, because I need something which will soothe my skin. So next I will be taking hyaluronic acid solution, which I already shared a video previously. So I will be taking 3% and I will mix this allantoin with hyaluronic acid solution. So don't use too much allantoin, because when you will see the cream, you will apply it on your face, you will feel there is some grainy texture. So that's the reason use very little. Okay, so now you can see that it is little bit solidified before that. So I'm going to add my allantoin mixture into it, and it's already cooled down. So I will be using aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is a very good ingredient for any skin type. So I'm using aloe vera gel, which I have made out of aloe vera 200x powder. Okay, so I am going to take aloe vera gel 5%. Then I will be adding tea tree oil 1%, clove oil 0.5%, vitamin E oil, of course, antioxidant is very necessary, 0.5%, mint oil 0.25%, and preservative 0.75%. Now I will be adding into this cooling phase, and eventually I will be mixing it with immersion blender until it's becoming a very nice creamy gel formulation. Okay, so the next last thing which I will be adding is blue tansy oil. You will see after some time. That is totally optional, you can add if you have. If you don't have, don't no need to buy it, but I added because I like blue tansy oil. It is very soothing and calming. It is very good for especially sensitive skin. It doesn't have any kind of irritation or problem until unless your base is not okay. Okay, so this is a very light gel cream, as I told, and very simple to make. I haven't used too much active, you have seen, guys. So definitely try it. Okay, and let me know if you have any questions on this. So I have already mentioned whatever I have used in phase C, that is a cool down phase. So go ahead and try it and do let me know.